Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanna share something beautiful with you guys. Now this video we could call it Amiga porn, but I think it's gonna be called Amiga Heaven because look at this, guys. All right, let's choose World 2. What's that? That's J. Oh, this one, Turken 1 World 2. I love that melody. Well, I just felt like I want to share some Amiga designs with you guys today because look at this. Look at these Amiga 1000s. They're just so beautiful. I love the design of them. They're new for me. I didn't know the Amiga 1000 even existed. Never saw it back then. Never heard about it. I thought the first Amiga was the Amiga 500. Then the Amiga 2000 and Amiga 600. I never heard about the Amiga 1000, so it's all new for me. And I love the design of them. I love the design. I love how the custom chips are placed when you open them and all that. Now these Amiga 1000s, they all need cleaning. I haven't checked anything. I just got them home and I'm gonna start working on them because in about 2 weeks I have 4 days of vacation and I'm gonna clean some Amiga 1000s and have some fun with them. They're amazing computers. I love the Amiga 1000. And actually the reason that I want to call this video Amiga porn is actually because of this. Look at this, guys. Isn't that just incredible? We got the Amiga 1000 over here, 3000 over here, top left corner. Also a really beautiful machine with a built-in scan doubler. I love the design of the Amiga 3000. It's an amazing computer. Again, needs cleaning and all that. This one has, I opened it, all the RAM, zip RAM I think they're called. Everything is just filled up, so 2 megs of chip RAM and I think it's 16 megabytes on board. Haven't checked because the disk drive is missing. I haven't checked anything with that Amiga 3000. Only that it's got a picture and 2.0 ROM. It's nice, but again, this video is all about the design. I mean, look, the slim design of the Amiga 3000. When this cabinet has been all washed and cleaned, not retro-brighted, I will not retro-bright anything, but guys, I just love the design. So, which Amiga do you love? I mean, if you only talk about the big box models, we also have the Amiga 2000, of course. I think design-wise, I really like the Amiga 1000. I don't know if it's because it's new for me or I don't know. I like that design. Also, the Amiga 3000, also really beautiful. It came in 1990 and the Amiga 1000 came in 1985. And here we have the Amiga 4000, which came out in 1992. I really wanted to use an Amiga 1000 as my main computer, and the reason that I don't is actually because of they came with 256 kilobytes of RAM, and that cover on the top here, if we open one of them, again guys, they're not clean. As you can see, they have this RAM expansion. All of them has it. So we got 256 kilobytes of RAM here too. So these Amiga 1000s, they have 512 kilobytes of memory expansion, of chip RAM. And I'm a WH2 gamer, and 2 megs of chip RAM is just a must for me. Let's check another one, level 1E. Nice. Oh man, Turken 1. Love that game. Love that game. So guys, just some Amiga porn I want to share with you guys. It's incredible As of right now, they're just beauties. But the reality of it, it's just hours and hours of work, clean, recapping. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my 4 days on this. When my son is at school, I'm gonna clean and recap all these machines. And they're not surface mounted capacitors, no nothing. They're just, the Amiga 1000 are just so easy to work with. I love the build quality, the construction of them. They're so easy to work with. The only thing I had trouble with the Amiga 1000s are actually the disk drives. I had trouble with most of them. They don't read. They're just, yeah, another generation, guys, but I will try to save them. If I can't, I'm gonna install the Amiga 500 disk drive inside them. Yeah, that was it for today, guys. Thank you for joining me on this Amiga Heaven video. It's just, it's an amazing feeling. When I found out about the Amiga 1000, I just, I love them. I love working with them. I love using them. Great computers, guys. Thank you for joining me on this one. Okay, high score. Hey, there we go, Turkey. But as of today, my main Amiga is this Amiga 4000 with an 030 processor. As you can see, go check at the front there. 2 megs of chip RAM, of course, 8 megs of fast RAM. I love that computer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will subscribe to my channel because all these are gonna be cleaned. We're gonna look at them. We're gonna enjoy them together. Share this video if you like it, guys. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.